Hi, I'm Crystal with Moonkin Stitchery, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make my Dotti quilt pattern. The size I will create is a throw size quilt measuring at 49.5 inches by 57.75 inches. The pattern is available as a free PDF in multiple quilt sizes, and the link for that will be down below in the video's description. The fabrics I am using are Willow by Sharon Holland from Art Gallery Fabrics. Now let's get started. You will need 42 10-inch squares, with 18 of them subcut 2 3¼ inch by 8¾ inch rectangles and 3 3¼ inch squares. If you cut your 10-inch squares like so, then this pattern is perfect for directional prints. Otherwise, feel free to cut it however you'd like, as long as you, of course, achieve the pieces that you need to make this quilt. Then, with the remaining 10-inch squares, subcut them into 8¾ inch squares. Now it's time to piece the quilt blocks. And in one print, select 2 3¼ inch by 8¾ inch rectangles and 2 3/4 inch squares. Then in a secondary print, select 1 3/4 inch squares and form this block. Sew all of the 3¼ inch squares together, forming a 3¼ inch by 8¾ inch rectangle. Then lastly, you'll sew the 3¼ inch by 8¾ inch rectangles to the top and bottom, forming a 8¾ inch square. You'll repeat this 18 times and then you're done. Now it's time to lay your quilt out in a 6x7 block layout. For your odd rows, you will use the print 8¾ inch squares. For your even rows, use the pieced square in a square quilt blocks. And then, as always, sew your blocks together to form rows. And lastly, sew the rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my quilt looks like all completed. For the backing, I am using a coordinating print from within the collection. And for the thread choice, I selected glide threads in the color Military Gold. And here is a close-up of my quilt all quilted out. For my Longarm quilters, the pattern I used is called Whipped Cream, which I will link down below in the video's description. Now don't forget, a free PDF pattern is available in 5 quilt sizes: baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. And I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.